Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Amex app card controls, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Amex app on your mobile device. Log into your American Express account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Card Management section. Locate the option for Card Controls. Tap on Card Controls to access various features. Select the card you wish to manage for your subscriptions. Within the card settings, look for the Manage Subscriptions feature. Tap on Manage Subscriptions to view your current subscriptions. If you want to add a new subscription, tap on Add Subscription. Enter the details required for the new subscription. Make sure to include the merchant name and subscription amount. Then, select the billing cycle that fits your needs. After entering all details, review them for accuracy. Tap Save to confirm the new subscription settings. To edit an existing subscription, select the subscription you wish to change. Make any necessary adjustments to the subscription details. Once you're done, tap Save Changes to update. If you wish to cancel a subscription, select the subscription and choose the Cancel option. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. Review your subscriptions periodically to ensure everything is up to date. Remember to check your account notifications for any updates or changes to subscriptions. Utilizing the Amex card controls allows you to manage your finances effectively. Now you're all set to manage your subscription smoothly using the Amex app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.